Hello, my name is Master Mo, and I'm practicing Taekwondo in my driveway. Hello, wonderful white belts. Can you read this? A black belt is a white belt who never quit. That's you. Okay. This video is about for white belts and anybody who needs a refresher on roundhouse, jumping roundhouse kick combination. Disclaimer. This video was created as a resource to help students memorize content to be practiced in class. The viewer assumes all risks and liabilities, hereby fully releasing and discharging the creator of this video and all its affiliates from any and all liability. Never train without proper supervision or a qualified instructor. Consult your doctor before beginning any training regimen, and if exercising outdoors, stay hydrated. So first, I'm going to show you the basic how I teach the little ones how to do a jumping roundhouse kick. You have to be able to jump off of one foot and kick with that foot at the same time. So first we practice just jumping on one foot, and then you jump and kick at the same time. Again, up, jump and kick. Very good. Okay, so you already know roundhouse kick. So we're going to do roundhouse kick, jumping roundhouse kick, reverse punch. So hands are up, okay? Roundhouse kick, you land a little forward this time, not sideways. Excuse the plane overhead. Jumping roundhouse kick, you lift your leg and jump, and then with your left hand, punch. Kia! About face, we talked about this, you only turn your feet, not move your feet. And keep your hands up, fighting stance in this direction. Now, same thing. Roundhouse kick, land a little forward this time. Lift your foot and jump and punching. Kia! About face, keep those hands up. Turn the body. Kia! One more time. Roundhouse, land forward, jump, do not move your foot, just punch. Kia! About face, one more. Roundhouse, jumping roundhouse, punch. Kia! About face, Kia! And butt up. All right, sure, tuck on. Happy practicing, see you in class. I hope that helps.